Alright everyone, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and this time around we're going to check out a motorcycle helmet lock. That's right. I'm guessing you can attach this pretty much anywhere it's convenient to put your helmet on your motorcycle. Or I guess you can use it on a bicycle too. I don't see why not. People use bicycle helmets, right? But yeah, this one comes to us from Locket or cyclebits.com. It's called the Universal Helmet Lock. Now this one is for, I found this very interesting. This one is for a 7/8 bar, okay? And at time of purchase, this one was $18.71. The interesting part was, if you go up a size, in other words, to the 1-inch bar, these things double in price. It doubles just for the bigger size, to fit the bigger size bar. I found that to be a little bit odd. So yeah, it goes from like $20 to 40 plus just to fit the bigger bar. Same lock. So yeah, kind of trippy. But anyways, yeah, the universal helmet lock for 7/8 bars. And it seems to be made out of like some kind of zinc, because I took a magnet to it, and the only thing obviously magnetic is actually those screws aren't even, but the screw that retains the core, that's about it. It's the only thing the magnet wants to stick to. The rest of it, including the hasp itself, some kind of zinc or something, I imagine. So yeah, but you know, it's locking a helmet, so it's locking the strap. So I'm guessing the lock really doesn't have to be that strong, because you can probably just cut the strap and replace that. So I don't know. But the lock, I was checking that out, and I was not very amused by it. So yeah, here are the keys. By the way, it is a wafer type lock. And here are the keys. So you can see by the bitting, not the best on this particular lock, but you know, that varies from lock to lock. So I just happen to get this one. So how does it work? Well, you put the key in and just rotate it a tiny little bit, because all it needs to do is rotate that little, let me get a pointer. It's just going to rotate this metal ring right here. It's going to rotate it out of the way so that the hasp can open. I'll show you how that works right there. See how it just kind of gets out of the way and that hasp can open? You see it opening right there through the hole. So it just turns just a little bit, just to kick that kind of locking pawl out of the way right there. See it from the other side there. It's just grabbing this little notch right here in the hasp. So yeah, but like I said, I took a pick to it. Actually, I didn't have to take a pick to it. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Let me grab let me grab all three of these. I've got a triple peak, I've got the city rake, and I've got a worm here. And I'll show you. Doesn't take a whole lot. But again, it's locking a helmet. So, you know, I don't know how much faith people put into helmet locks. Alright, so a little bit of rotational tension on it, and we'll just start with the worm. Just kind of give it a little massage with the worm, like that. Easy breezy, cover girl. Lock it back up and repeat. A little bit of rotational tension, and let's go with the triple peak. Just massage it a little bit and open it back up. Pretty straightforward. So let's try another one, just for fun. A little bit of rotational tension, and we'll try the city rake. Just massage them. And once again. So yeah, doesn't take much to get the lock open. I'm guessing you can probably jiggle it open with just about anything, as I just showed right here. But again, back to the helmet. It's just locking a helmet, and you're just locking the helmet strap. I don't know if those are replaceable, but what I would probably do is just cut the strap and replace it, you know, but I'm not a bad guy, so I don't know if bad guys are doing that or not. But anyways, I guess it's better to be safe than sorry. At least, you know, you got something to lock your helmet up with, because you don't want to be carrying it around. But that's it. That is the universal helmet lock for the 7/8 bar. Just shy of $20. But yeah, I found it interesting that just going up to the larger size, they double in price. That seems a little bit odd to me. But there it is. Anyways, universal helmet lock. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Remember, if you're not subscribed yet, you need to do so, because all the cool people are doing it, and you don't want to be left out. Be cool.